We're over here at one of our favorite restaurants and resorts. We're gonna be cleaning the carpets today. They're pretty dirty. We got a lot of soiling going on, but this is a piece of equipment that we use. It's a bonzer, and it's got 7 jets on it. We turn that heat all the way up when it comes to restaurants, melt that grease away, and we just we go and steam clean everything. Here. Okay. They want us to get this stuff right here. That is dirty though. I'm gonna help move some of that stuff now for you. Get it out of the way. Oh my God. All right, this one I'm not gonna move. It's got too much stuff on it here. Clean up into it. You can. Clean it up here. Yeah, same way. God, it's cooking in that place. No, it's not. I really want that, man. Melt it. Good. How many traffic areas are really bad? You can turn. What's up guys, Chris Basto with True Clean. Want to get on video today. We're doing a really bad traffic area of carpet. It's got a lot of grease, soil from restaurant. We're in one of the local restaurants here in Pinellas County. but we're going to be cleaning it. We're pre-spraying right now with a Citrus Solve Flex by Bridgepoint. We love it. It's a great product. We're going to pre-spray it, let it dwell for about 15 minutes before we get started cleaning it. So check it out when we clean. All right, now that we've pre-treated this area, we're going to agitate it with a bonnet machine and a red pad. It gets a little bit more aggressive with the red pad, but it'll get down deep to kind of suspend that dirt. I'm getting down in there with those traffic lane areas. We got to really scrub at them. I'm putting a little bit of an encapsulant cleaner down too. It helps to kind of brighten it up, as you can see it's doing, but once we start steaming, all that will get rinsed out, residue free. All right, so we're putting an acid rinse through our steam line. We're using a Bonzer. It's got 7 jets on it. We've got even a glass here that we can see through and make sure everything's coming out clear and clean. And that acid rinse will help us make sure everything's back at a neutral pH, since our pre-sprays were up at a high pH. This thing here, thank you for following us today. It was really cool to see how we can transform a carpet and the steps that we take at True Clean to make sure everything is perfect. Even before we leave, we go and do a dry test and just touch the carpet, make sure that it's not too wet before we go. We want to leave everything as dry as possible so the humidity and the air conditioning can really pull out the rest of the moisture. Well, thanks again. Appreciate it.